What's up mga ka-mams and mga ka-paps, and welcome once again to our Google Classroom tutorial series. Maraming salamat nga po pala sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, nag-like at nag-shares ng mga videos ko. Lalong-lalo na itong ating tutorial. Naway nakatulong po sa inyo ng malaki. Lalong-lalo na sa mga kapwa ko guro out there. Maraming salamat po. At para sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin at bago lang bumisita sa channel na to, my name is Clifford Nazaria. I love cooking and baking. Makikita niyo yan sa aking channel. I'm also a dance and singing enthusiast. That's why I do covers. I am an event coordinator and also a teacher in profession. Kaya naman gumawa ako ng ganitong klaseng video para makatulong sa ating kapwa guro para magamit ang ganitong klaseng platform sa ating pagtuturo, lalo na ngayong panahon na tinatawag nating new normal, na kung saan isa na nga dito ang tinatawag nating distance learning or online teaching in terms of education. Ito ang ating new normal sa kagawaran ng edukasyon. Naituro na natin sa ating mga nakaraan na tutorials kung paano gumawa ng class, maglagay or mag-add ng student sa Google Classroom, gumawa ng assignments at kung paano to checkan at gradean ni teacher, at ng quiz assignments. Ngayon naman, ituturo ko sa inyo is kung paano gumawa ng questions using question form and paano natin mag-gradean at may send ito sa ating mga students. Kung gusto nyong malaman at matutunan ang part na to ng ating series tutorial ng Google Classroom, ipagpatuloy lang ang panonood nyo. We are now on the fourth part of our Google Classroom series tutorial. And if you want to watch the previous part of this tutorial, just click the links on the description below or just simply click the card or the suggestion caption on the upper right of this video. For this video, I will show you how you can create and give a question to your students. In your Google Classroom, go to Classwork tab, then click Create and choose question, and the question form will open. Choose type of question you prefer. It can be short answer or multiple choice. If you choose short answer, students will give their personal answer, while multiple choice is you can only ask one question and provide choices or options. It is recommended for giving a question where they can have an option to choose from. For this example, I will choose short answer. Type the question here and add instruction on this part of the question form if necessary. Like in assignment and quiz assignment, there is an add button and create button below on this form. When you click the add button, you can attach files from your Google Drive or on your computer files, and also adding a link and a YouTube video. On the other hand, when you click the create button, it will give you different Google applications such as docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. You can also assign points and due date here, like in assignment and quiz form. But this time, it has two other options below, which is students can reply to each other. And this option will let the students see and comment on other students' answer, and it is recommended for students' collaboration and brainstorming. On the other hand, students can edit answer, will let the students edit their answer after submitting it. It is recommended for recitation and giving the students a second chance to revise their answers. To give scores on your student responses, click the turned in or handed in. Select one student and give a corresponding score. Return your response and add your private comment. Then click return to finish. See to it that all of the responses were graded and never forget to give positive feedbacks and encouraging words to your students. Giving positive feedback helps to motivate, boost confidence, and show students that you value them. It will also help your students to understand and develop their skills. And all this has a positive impact to their performance. As a teacher, giving a positive feedback should be a simple part of your practice. So teachers, let's make it a habit.